Hello and welcome to the next episode of Fictitious Eats. Today we journey to the world of campfire cooking in another world with my absurd skill. Today's dish is Orc Katsu with seasoned cabbage and Katsu sauce. We will start off with the dressing for the cabbage: sesame oil, rice vinegar, mirin, salt, black pepper, white sugar, vegetable oil. Whisk well to incorporate and then set aside in the fridge. Next, we will make the Katsu sauce by starting with ketchup, brown sugar, fresh grated ginger, fresh finely minced garlic, soy sauce, mirin, Worcestershire sauce. Mix well, set aside in the fridge. Now we will get the pork, ready to fry. In the first container, add flour, salt, black pepper, granulated garlic. Mix until everything is incorporated. In the second container, we add our eggs, then scramble them. Finally, in the last container, we add our panko breadcrumbs. First, we coat the pork chop in the seasoned flour, making sure to coat the edges. Next, it goes for a swim in the egg mix, making sure there are no dry spots. Lastly, we cover it in our panko breadcrumbs, flipping it and pushing it into the breadcrumbs and coating the sides. Now repeat the same process for all the orc meat. Next, get the oil in a pan to 350 degrees. While the oil heats up, let's prep the cabbage. First, let's cut it in half through the stem, then turn it on its flat side. Using a sharp knife, slice half of the head into thin pieces. Place the cabbage into a large bowl, then add our dressing. Next, we add toasted sesame seeds. Now we mix it all together and return to the fridge. When the oil reaches temperature, gently place your breaded pork chops. Cook them for 6 to 7 minutes, flipping halfway through. After reaching an internal temperature of 145 degrees, place them on a paper towel to rest and drain excess oil. For plating, we will cut them into 4 to 5 pieces. We will then add 2 orc chops to the plate and add our seasoned cabbage. Finally, we will drizzle our Katsu sauce over our meat. Serve and enjoy with a beer or your favorite beverage. Don't forget to make an extra large portion for your extra large canine companion. Thank you for watching and see you on the next episode of Fictitious Eats.